Sasha Buttercup to go on my brow bone. Then let's go into the whole eye makeup aspect of things, right? So I'm going to be taking my Inglot eyeshadows, and I'm going to be taking this color here, and it is 300. I'm going to put that in my crease. Then I'm going to be taking 299 and put that into my crease as well. Then I'm going to be taking 301, this color here. No, 296. 296, and that's going to go into my crease. 296. And I'm using my MAC 224 brush for this. Then I'm taking 301. The Jaclyn Hill Favorites palette. I know what you guys are thinking, Lyric, I thought you did not like that palette. I don't, but right now it's the lesser of the two evils that I have. As you guys know, I don't use Juvia's Place anymore on my channel. It's just a lot of drama that has been surrounding them, and when I say certain influencers that I look up to not using them at all, I just really question it, you know. And when certain people that used to use them no longer use them, I'm just like, what the hell is up with Juvia's? And I have a whole video on why I don't use Juvia's. I don't want to get into it because I don't want to slander the company or bash the company. If the product is good and if all you care about is the product, then honey, you better get you some Juvia's Place palettes, boo, because the palettes are awesome. They are really, really good. But I just won't be using them. Alright, so next I'm going in with this color here. And that's going to go right between these two lightly in that area. Alright, so let's take this color. I'm still using my 224, you know, still using my 224. And for added depth, I'm going to be going in with this green. It's a really nice dark green. Okay, then I'm going to be going with my, I used to do my brow bone. It's my Stunna Lace 2941 brush, and I'm going to be taking this burgundy color. I really think I should have put like a white base underneath, like just to have it pop. So let me do that right now. So let me go in with my Stunna Lace 02. I think this is in light. It's just Stunna Lace. I think it's either the concealer or the foundation, but it's really, really light. And I have reserved this for doing steps like these, but these do crease, so blend them out or don't go too far up to in your lid. So in your crease, sorry, because these do crease on me. So I'm just going to keep this on my lid, keep it really low. Then I'm going back in with that brush and that eyeshadow. Okay, good. I'm glad I used that base. I don't know if it would have showed up on me if I didn't use it. See? Alright, so I'm going to line my eyes. Please be sharpened good with my pencil from Isaken Enofe. Alright, to dust this off, and then I'm going to do my lips. So I'm using Cinnamon and Trophy Wife. I'm going into the reason I started this whole look in the first place. I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Stunna. It just says Stunna lip paint, and it says uncensored. So it's Stunna lip paint, and I believe the color is uncensored. I don't know. So it's my first time using it ever. I have not even used it off camera. Alright, so this is it, and it's put on haphazardly, so I'm just going to fix this and I'm going to come back with my final thoughts on this. But this is the look, you guys. Bold eyes, bold lips, who said it can't be done? And purple brows. I'm here for all of it, cool. So I'll come back to you guys with my final thoughts on this lip paint. First of all, it is very light. Look, it's not even sticking. This thing is gorgeous. I like it. So BRB. Alright, so my finals on, oh, you know, I got my little Essaken earrings, you know, EssakenNOFA.com, you know, just in case you were wondering. Essaken, and it's all blingy. Yo, these bonnets, you know, where these on the road. I have one that I wear all over the place, and I accidentally wore to the gym today because I just got my gym clothes. I wasn't expecting to go because I know my day was a bit short, and I sure as heaven wore that to the gym. Yes, I'll do it, honey. But yeah, so my where is, alright, so my review on this zine. So it is weighty, it has a little bit of weight to it, but what gets me is the applicator. Yo, the applicator is unlike anything I've ever seen before. It fits perfectly on your lips, you know. It really does, and they promote this as a universal red. To me, it's fine. It's not like the drop dead reds of all drop dead reds, but you know it's Rihanna, and if you have not picked it up by now, like if I have a celeb fave, it's definitely Rihanna. If you have not picked it up by now, like whatever she drops, I'm getting it, you know. So had to support her. And of course it's kind of like a silver rose gold, like the top is like a silver rose gold, and it's almost like a spike heel, you know, like this is the heel and down here will be like, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's almost like that. But yeah, this is really, really good. I have nothing bad to say about it. It's extremely light. It is so light. Yeah, it's really, really light. I felt like I was rushing this morning simply because I had to pick up Jonathan and I was late, so I was rushing. But I feel more relaxed, and I feel relaxed in saying I really, really love this. This formula, and forgive me for saying so, but this formula really reminds me of the Jeffree Star formula. Theirs is very light as well, but this isn't Jeffree. This is our girl Rihanna, or girl Rihanna, you know. So yeah, so come through uncensored. I really think it's called uncensored because it says Stunna lip paint and then uncensored. I don't know, Stunna lip paint then uncensored. But yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this mini review. Thank you so much for watching. I have mostly all things Fenty on my face, living for this glow, and I ran some errands just now, and I'm back and I just packed my face with my paper towel, and yeah, that's basically it. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.